really a nice machine. It was easy to maneuver. I felt very safe because when I was using it, I could just let go of the lever and it would automatically stop. It went through weeds that were 2 feet high with no problem at all, and it took no effort from me because it was self-propelled.
I used the Cyclone Flail Mower, and we had some real rough ground with a lot of rocks and sticks and branches and trees, and it was very easy to handle. With just a little light touch on the brake lever on either side, I could steer it. I love the fact that the flail mower chopped the grass into very small pieces so you weren't tripping on grass or anything as you were going through. I like the stability of the tracks. Well, in this grass, a lawnmower would choke off just in the grass, much less, you know, the brush. You'd have to go back and forth about 2 inches at a time, and it would take you forever to get 6 feet. But the Cyclone just went through it and mulched it all up so that it was just a nice smooth trail when you got done. Yeah, while I was using the Cyclone, coming through the heavy brush and grass, it would just suck in the small saplings and chew them up where you couldn't even see them when you got done. You just walked over the top of small little chips.